Hey guys, I'm doing a Pinnacle Hockey Cards box break. First box break. It's got 8 packs of 10 cards in each pack. There's a package. Alright, starting out, yeah. David Perron, Patrick, I think you pronounce it Hornquist, Jordan Stahl, locker room card, Mike Newbirth, Mark Recchi, see the shine, Nikolai Habibulin, Nathan Gerby, Louis Erickson, Corey Crawford, and Brian McCabe. Now, I'm gonna say this pack feels very thick. I know there's 10 cards in here, but this one feels extra thick, so let's see if we get lucky. I think we did. And yep. First of all, as a keeper, don't have a Sergei Gonchar for my Ottawa Senators collection. Sergei Gonchar, 700th point. A Christopher Stieg. Sidney Crosby. Mikko Koivu, Jeff Carter interview, and this was the hit. Andrew Bondarchuk, City Lights jersey card, so that's nice. A Tyler Ennis Buffalo card. Henrik Zetterberg. I'm not sure, last name is Pavlik. I'll try to pronounce that first name. And TJ Girardi. And Brent Burns. This pack's a little thick, not sure. See. TJ Oshie, Shea Weber, Max Talbot, it's a Winter Classic card, Nicholas Backstrom playing soccer for Capitals, Mason Raymond, a camouflage jersey, Jonathan Toews. It's pretty sweet. Keaton Eberle, I think it's how you pronounce it. Alex Tongue, Johan Franzen, and a Christmas Mark Savard. I think this one's just all base. We'll see. Favorite things, opening hockey cards. Tyler Bozak, Marian Gaborik, nice action shot. Jaroslav Halak, Peke Rinne, Nice rookie Icebreakers Taylor Hall. It's a pretty nice card. UC Jokinen. Ryan Whitney. Sweet Ryan Miller card. Bobby Ryan. And Duncan Keith. Halfway through, got 4 more packs to go. 40 cards. This one's decently thick. We'll see. I don't think there's any hits. Marc-Andre Fleury. Mike Green. Nice Chris Pronger. Could also be a Danny Briere. Steve Sullivan. Zibnek McCulloch walking through the tunnel. David Booth. Tyler Myers. Jimmy Howard. Tobias Enstrom. And Antoine Vermette going through the hall. Possibly a hit in this one. We'll see. There's a thick one, I think. Let's see. Nicholas Backstrom. Mike Richards. Alexander Burrows, penalty box. Martin Biron. A Team Pinnacle Shea Weber. And Zdeno Chara. It's one of those doubles. Andrew Burnett. Tim Gleason for the Canes. Sam Gagne, and Nikita Filatov, now playing for the Sens. And Corey Perry. We got 2 more packs to go. Last one's, I'd say, decently thick. I don't think any hits in this one. Sean Avery. Martin St. Louis. Ilya Kovalchuk. Antero Nedimaki. Got the same Pronger card. This one's Shine. Derek Dorsett. Pierre-Marc Bouchard. Tumu Rutu. Milan Lucic. It's got some pucks. And J.R. Umberger. Last pack. Not sure if there's a hit. Feeling kind of nice. We'll see. Might be. Andre Koyson. Sean O'Donnell. Daniel Sedin. Michael Delzato. Dan Ellis. George Peros. Camo card. Camo jersey. Marian Hossa. Radek Dvorak. Mike Badano, and Jerome McGinley. So that was my first box break, and in my opinion, favorites were Sergei Gonchar. We got your one hit City Lights jersey card. Chris Pronger, Shine, Team Pinnacle, Shea Weber, Zdeno Chara, and in Icebreakers, Taylor Hall.